Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to start putting these on my videos for a while. I'm teaching a couple of classes in Las Vegas next year, 1st of February. You can go to the International Personalization Expo and find out more information. Anyway, somebody sent me this, and they want to do this. So to do this, and I guess then they're going to print it, you need a really big, nice, clear moon. So I just typed in photo moon. But then I go to images, and I go to tools, and I go to size, and I go to large. And I took the first moon, and then I just right click on it and copy image, take it into Corel, right click and paste it. So there's the moon, same moon I've got. Now, this shape we need to trace, but it's huge. So I'm going to reduce it because we can always enlarge it again. I'm going to go ahead and just trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art, group by color, say okay. It traced it. Now I can go up to object, group, and ungroup and grab that color, and voila, I have that shape. Now I would probably clean this up a little bit this time. There's a couple of things I would change. Let's just make it a little bit larger, and let's left click, right click. And, that would be personal, whatever you want to do about it. Just hit delete that node, hit the delete. These are what I call whoop-de-doo. So we're just going to virtual segment delete key and delete that. Here's a whoop-de-doo here. This is a good example. It's two nodes that are, and you can do this, but sometimes it's easier just to delete the nodes. And then I would actually take, if you have X7 or above, take the smoothing tool, sit on real little, like maybe 1 inch, and smooth this up just a little bit. You can actually see the nodes change. I'm just barely moving it over. And this probably needs to be a pretty good curve. So you could use the smoothing tool on it and see how it's making it smoother, or you could actually take nodes out. Anyway, but that's not really what the video is about. So now we're going to take this moon, and I'm going to make it red so I can see it better, and I'm going to place it in our moon. I really want, and this is a good thing about making it a hairline, and instead of having it blue where you can't see what's behind there, just have it a hairline, and then you can see what you're going to capture. I really would like to have that graphic right there in my graphic. And then, so you've got two objects selected, go up to intersect, and move it out of the way. And there you have it. Now, it'll really look better with a black background, kind of really make it stand out. If you printed that on a blue shirt, and see what I mean by having that part of the graphic, and by picking the large detail, look how clear it is. Now you could still, now that you see this, you could still take the smoothing tool and actually smooth out more. It's not gonna mess with the picture any. Basically the picture is still there. Like 3 nodes right there together don't need to be there. So you could smooth that out, or you could use the shape tool and delete 2 of those nodes. And you can probably delete that node. You could probably delete all these nodes and still have a good shape, because the more perfect, the better. Anyway, that was fun. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.